Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today we're whipping up something special, spicy pork and tofu skin delight. Let's dive in. First off, cut the tofu skin into these cute diamond shapes. Slice up that pork and turn those longhorn peppers into rings. Now, finely chop some green onions and let's get that garlic press working. In our pot, let's get that oil heated up. Toss in the pork slices, stir until they've got that lovely color. Add those green onions and a sprinkle of ginger powder, a splash of cooking wine, and a good stir. Time for the soy sauce. Let those aromas fill the kitchen. Chop in the tofu skin, sprinkle a bit of salt, and pour in water until it's level with the tofu. Bring it to a lovely boil, then let it simmer on medium-low for a bit. Once the soup's got that reduced magic happening, toss in those longhorn peppers and give it a good stir. When the soup's teasingly reduced, toss in that minced garlic and stir again. For that extra flavor boost, a touch of chicken powder, a drizzle of water starch to thicken, and voila, it's ready to be devoured. This dish is a flavor party, especially with a side of rice. Give it a shot, let me know how it turns out. Thanks for hanging out, and catch you in the next one.